Hi, and welcome back to another video for Your Soul Evolution. My name is Erin, and I help people to evolve spiritually and to awaken to new perspectives. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to check the description box. I have created a free guided meditation MP3 that will help to raise your vibration and renew and refresh your energy. Now that Christmas is behind us and we are welcoming a new year, I wanted to share with you a technique that I will personally be using starting immediately. Although I personally love the feel and the sound of a fresh new year and a fresh new start and a new beginning, when you really think about it, we know that time as we perceive it does not exist. So really, what's a new year? We should be treating a year as if it's 365 opportunities. We know that all we have is this present moment right now. Basically, I'm just trying to say that we should treat every day as if it's a new, fresh beginning. The technique that I wanted to talk about today is incredibly powerful. It is so simple, it's so easy to do, and it will have the most long-term effects for you. There's so many manifesting techniques out there. I have videos on many of them. When you start getting down to changing the core of your beliefs, that is when you start to see incredible change. It's more than just something that you're doing on the surface. It goes beneath that. And to me, a lot of the techniques out there, although you can see results, a lot of the techniques don't work for people because they don't really believe that it will work. So when you start to change those beliefs, that is when the things that you are preferring to have, the things that you're desiring to have, will come to you naturally because you have eliminated those thoughts within you that don't really believe that it works. What I'm talking about is creating affirmations with your own voice and recording them onto your voice recorder on your phone, and you listen to that recording either just as you are falling asleep or when you first wake up in the morning, the 30 minutes before you go to bed and 30 minutes upon waking up. That is when the most powerful change can happen, because that is when you are still kind of in a theta brainwave and you're more susceptible to creating change and reprogramming things that are not serving you. First of all, what you would do is be clear with the goals that you have. You can do it for the entire new year if you wish. I have found better results when I break it down. Instead of just doing the entire new year, I just break it down into 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, and so on. Once you have a clear vision of what you are wanting to bring into your experience, you would write down 20, 25 affirmations, preferably starting with the I am this now. I have started adding the now onto the end of all my affirmations because now is all that we have. You know, we know that the past is our memories, the future is our imagination. What we have is right now. So you want to speak it into now, into the present moment. For example, I am so grateful that I have blank now. I am so excited for this amazing job opportunity that has come to me now. Once you have about 20, 25 of these, then you just want to take your phone, go to your voice recorder app. Most people have one on their phone. If you don't, I'm sure you can download one for free, and just record in your own voice you speaking these affirmations with as much emotion as you possibly can get in there. And then once you've done that, you just want to listen to them, as I said, before you go to bed or upon waking, or both. Remember that you can do this for things that you are wanting to manifest into your life or for things that you want to change about yourself. Dr. Bruce Lipton recommends this as one of the most powerful ways of changing and reprogramming yourself. You could use it for breaking a habit. I am so incredibly grateful that I have quit smoking now. I am excited to exercise. I am excited about drinking more water. You can literally use it for anything that you want. And the reason this is so powerful is because, as I said, the 30 minutes before you go to bed and the 30 minutes upon waking are when your subconscious is just ready and open to soak all of this in. So that even as you go on about your day and you forget about it, it's all still in there. And the universe is conspiring to help you with what you have put out. Make all of this come together. Just as a bonus, I would like to say that one of the most powerful things that I have personally done, it's probably been well over a year now, but I do not sleep with my phone in my bedroom. I put it way into my kitchen to eliminate the habit of immediately reaching for my phone and scrolling through social media and scrolling through Facebook, just mindless drivel. And that, unfortunately, is how most people feel connected to the world around them. They don't feel that connection until they wake up and they start scrolling and see what everybody's doing and where everybody's checked in at and everybody's business that's going on. And this is just a habit. A true connection will only come from you getting to know who you are at a deeper level through meditation, through yoga, through shamanic practices, whatever you're into, whatever it is that speaks to you, where you feel like you are getting a better grasp on who you are as an infinite, multidimensional being, and you will never find that connection on social media. So just as a bonus tip, I highly recommend this. If you could just try it, I promise it would make an amazing difference in your life and the connection that you feel, and how grounded and stable you feel just as a human being when you get your sense of connectedness through meditation, affirmations, visualization, but not through social media. So with this technique, you may have to get up and go grab your phone from the other room, but instead of that mindless scrolling, just go ahead and put your headphones in and listen to those affirmations. Do a quick 2-3 minute meditation before you start, just to bring your consciousness where it needs to be. Well, I hope this video helps you. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you know someone who would benefit from this video, please share it. Also remember that here in a couple of days, I'm going to be starting a 21-day self-discovery, self-exploration course inside my private monthly membership group. If you would like more information on that, please message me. All my links are in the description box. I hope to see you there in the group. And until then, I'll see you on the next video.